I find the most effective workshops are the ones that are interactive, where you present an idea. It depends on what the topic is, but you ask people questions and ask them to share from their own experience what's going on in their life with this situation. Or even if you can turn it into a group discussion, that makes it even better. A lot of times when people answer questions, they'll give you a very general answer, a very basic answer that doesn't actually mean anything. So you continuing to ask and continuing to go further and further until they really get to some substance or to some insight, I think is an important tool that you can use as a practitioner or as a facilitator to help people get to the answers themselves instead of you telling them what the answer is. If you're trained as a coach, the rule is that the client has all of the answers within themselves. And as a coach through the ICF, you are not supposed to give suggestions or directions or even lead clients in any direction other than the direction that is within them. Because we all want to be like, hey, like if you just do this, your life will get better. But that's maybe not even close to what they're ready to do or willing to do. So asking the client or asking the person in the group, what are you willing to do this week that could move you in the direction of this goal that you have? And they might say something that is totally different than what you're thinking. So I think just being open-minded and trying to be curious and explore with the client and letting them find their own answers is a very effective way to run workshops.